So even order distortion is going to be a serious issue in this type of receiver. So see here, I'm going to have two interferers, omega 1 and omega 2, close to my desired channel, and I'm going to have an LNA. The output of LNA equation is given here, y of t equal alpha 1 x1 of t plus alpha 2 x2 x square of t. Actually, ideally, the LNA will be y of t first term only if the LNA is linear, but assume the LNA is non-linear, it is going to have two terms. So second order term yields the product of two interferers and the low frequency beat at omega 2 minus omega 1. So you have a low frequency beat. And what is the effect of this component? When you multiply this by omega L or not, you will get high frequencies and low frequencies, sum and difference. The sum frequency is eliminated because of low pass filter, and because of asymmetries arriving in the mixer or LO waveform, some fraction of RF input will appear at the output without frequency translation. So because of this is a zero IF, right? So definitely without down conversion, some part of RF input will appear at the output also. Because of this, it will corrupt its own signal. So other name for this even or distortion is IS. We have seen this image and the signal are corrupting themselves. It is available in the same band. So this, you can remove this action of LNA by AC coupling, making the input transistor of the mixer dominant source for even order distortion. So even order distortion is a very serious issue in this type of receivers, because it is going to cause a lot of drawbacks, because the signal and image are in the same frequency spectrum. So even if no interferers are there, this even order distortion may uh, disrupt the performance of your circuit. So we express the signal. Assume this is your signal, xn of t equal to a naught plus a of t cos omega t plus phi of t. So this is a low pass signal, and assume it is experiencing second order distortion. It is multiplied alpha to x in square of t. So square this entire term. So you will get cos square. Cos square is 1 plus cos 2 omega by 2, right? So this both the see here, this term is alpha to a naught a of t, the second term, and alpha to a t square by 2 are low pass signal terms, and uh, they are going to corrupt your signal. Even or distortion eliminate demodulates AM because amplitude information appears at the first term. So if this alpha 2 to a naught into a of t is actual message, alpha 2 into a square of t is going to be your second order harmonic, and this is also going to be second order harmonic. So if you are going to use this for AM demodulation, it is going to work well. Otherwise it is going to have a serious issue if you are going to get the signal corrupted by a larger interferer. So when the interferer is going to have a larger power, then this even order distortion will ensure that the complete signal is corrupted because of even order distortion as well as the interferer. Both will start working